President John Dramani Mahama has called on newly sworn-in High Court judges to serve the Republic with integrity, humility, and compassion, reminding them that behind every legal case lies a deeply human story deserving of fairness and dignity. Speaking at the swearing-in ceremony of newly appointed High Court judges at the Jubilee House, President Mahama urged the judiciary to embody both the majesty of the law and the mercy of humanity in the dispensation of justice. The president quoted the late U.S. Supreme Court Justice Sandra saying, "The court must earn the trust of the people every day, one case at a time." He emphasized that each judgment delivered by the bench must strengthen public confidence in Ghana's justice system. President Mahama called on the judges to uphold the highest ethical standards and protect their conscience, describing their new responsibility as both sacred and historic. President Mahama added that every Ghanaian, regardless of status, must leave the courtroom convinced that justice in Ghana remains both a right and a promise kept.
Let the High Court be both the temple of the law and the house of humanity. Behind every writ and affidavit is a human story of loss of hope, of survival, a dismissed teacher, a family displaced, a young person wrongfully accused. In each of these cases, the judge is the final line between despair and dignity. The late Justice Sandra once observed, and I quote again, "The courts must earn the trust of the people every day, one case at a time." Quotations closed. Let each judgment you deliver add another stone to the bridge of trust between the people and their judiciary. As you've taken your oaths of office and secrecy, remember that you enter into a covenant not only with the Constitution, but with history and the people. Future generations will read your judgments not only for legal reasoning, but for moral courage exhibited. Serve the Republic with humility, guard your conscience fiercely. Let your courtrooms reflect both the majesty of the law and the mercy of humanity. Ghanaians will be watching and applauding, not to find faults, but to find faith. Give them reason to believe that justice still lives here. My lords and lady justices, today Ghana places in your hands both a gavel and a torch. The gavel to adjudicate with authority, and the torch to illuminate the path of justice. Let this be the era in which the High Court stands as the living symbol of fairness, efficiency, and integrity. And let every Ghanaian who enters your courtroom, rich or poor, powerful or powerless, leave with the conviction that justice in Ghana is not a privilege, but a right and a promise kept.